These are things that I don't always share. I'm about to do something that I never thought that I would ever do again. And if someone would have told me a week ago that I'd be doing this, I would have been like, no way, there's no way that's possible. But I'm a little nervous today. I am a little bit late. I'm taking a pregnancy test or two. I'm so nervous. This is actually the exact pregnancy test I think I took with Layla. Okay, so just went and bought that. I couldn't sleep all night last night. We were doing things to prevent pregnancy, TMI, but I just really didn't think that I'd be doing this again. Anyways, I'm gonna go take the test and see what it says. I'm so nervous. Of course I'd be happy, but man, just 5 kids, like, okay, I'll be back. Not pregnant. Oh, my goodness. I think no matter what you have going on in your life, when you take a pregnancy test, it's really filled with a lot of emotion. Whether you're hoping to see a positive or a little bit nervous about a negative. You want up or down, baby? I love babies and I love my kids more than anything in the whole entire world. But last night I just kept thinking, I don't think that I can have 5 kids. Like, I just don't think I could give all of my kids the attention that they need and deserve, and I was really worried. And of course I would have happily welcomed another little babe into our family, but oh man, I was really nervous. Anyways, this one is definitely negative. Layla is definitely still the baby of the family. Yeah. But if I don't start my period soon, I'll take the other one. As of right now, I think that we are also not pregnant. Hey, where do you want to go? You just want this camera all the time. Anyways, I hope that you're all having a good day. I just hope by sharing this, it doesn't like make anyone's feelings hurt or anything like that. Just something that happened. These are things that I don't always share. When things are really personal, it's easier not to share them. I just don't ever know how they're going to be taken. I mean, I share a lot of personal things here, but sometimes something like this I wouldn't share. But I don't know, I just felt like I should. Anyways, we're gonna carry on with the day. Unloaded the dirty dishwasher. That sucks. I have to load it all back up and find all of them. Are you celebrating? Why are we celebrating? Really just reminding me that there's no whole time. I'm so happy. I'm sorry that happened. Just running in circles. These are the enchiladas that I made last night. I made enough so that we would have leftovers for lunch. Quiet, child. She's always making noise. She's so small, but she makes so much noise. Anyways, we had them for leftovers for lunch. If Casey wants one, he can have one. If not, I have 4 days of lunch right here. Then I just had salsa. They're delicious. I'm also roasting some asparagus. Yum. And Casey's cooking dinner tonight, and he hasn't yet told me what we're having. He told me to guess. Let's look through here. See if we can tell. Caesar salad. Are we having stir fry?
No.
I will never guess by these ingredients.
No, I can tell you. No, the other ingredients.
Oh, ground. Oh, child.
What are you doing?
Okay. Tell us.
No, not the way.
Ah, what? Do you want one of these for lunch?
What are we having?
No. You guys,
Shrimp?
this candle is so good. So good. So good. Guess who loves asparagus? Layla. She loves it so much. Do you guys like asparagus? I love asparagus. I think it's so good. Here is mine. I'm sharing my enchilada with Layla too. That's what I'm eating. Would you guys want to see like what I eat in a whole day? I like watching videos like that. Let me know. It also seems like a little bit weird, but let me know.
So weird.
I'm vlogging Casey vlogging cooking dinner. He did tell me what we're having for dinner, and I'm excited for you guys to see This is such a fun idea. I'm going to go plan out some videos because I am going to have someone come and help me film craft and beauty videos, but I need to be extra prepared so that when I schedule that, I am ready to go. So I'm editing a little bit and scheduling a little bit, and I'm really excited. So I hope that you guys still want to see that on my channel. I know I've been vlogging, but I'm just kind of ready to get back into doing that, and I feel like where my kids are at this point, that it's just going to be a lot easier. So I'm excited. Okay, time for dinner. When Casey was younger, he loved Hungry Man TV dinners, right? He still does. We don't ever have them. So he made his own version, and we have trays. So we're just going for
I
it.
didn't even tell him what kind it was.
What kind is it?
Salisbury steak. The
Salisbury
best.
steak. His
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good one. You got a lot of mushrooms. And then I roasted some vegetables.
Here.
Roasted vegetables are so good. I could eat that whole pan, I think. They're so good. So this is what we're doing tonight for dinner. This is fun. I love this idea, honey.
TV dinners.
I'm gonna grab my tray.
Hey, you want some broccoli?
I love buying trays like this. I mentioned that in another vlog, but we don't use them that often, especially like these plain ones. So this is a lot of fun. Oh, let's see.
We grab Layla's.
Oh yeah. Where's Layla's? Oh.
Hey, Mom. Mom.
She probably won't eat mushrooms. Yes, yes.
I have a robot, so I did this one.
Oh, that's very cool. Robot tray for a robot guy. All right, here we go. Having some dinner. Braylee's taking a bath, of course. You eating, girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, I also made some rice. This looks good though. Thanks, babe.
Yep.
Hi. Hey, you touching my food?
Then that.